Hello and welcome into the Piles of Paragraphs creative space. I'm Lori and today I'm going to talk to you about a journal that I am trying to plan. Well, I am planning it. I just can't seem to make up my mind. So I've got some fantastic stuff that's from France. I've got some letters. I've got this wonderful big paper that the invoices that I got from Louise at Forever French or Forever French Paper were wrapped up in that. I've got some of those invoices here, some more envelopes that I had in my stash. I have some handkerchiefs that I picked up at the flea market when we were in Paris a couple of years ago. I would really like to use, but I don't know. I can't make up my mind. So I have... In all honesty, this is the second time I've done this video because I don't know what I did the first time. It didn't record. So we're trying again. And I will say I didn't sleep well last night. So not the sharpest today as I normally am. Or I would normally like to think I am anyway. So here's what we've got. I've got some cardboard, which also came from France because it came in an order that I got from Mr. Cup. I am Mr. Cup on Instagram. He does fabulous sales of French things that he finds at the brocantes. So I have this, and I have these, which you've kind of seen. I have this, and I can't make up my mind. Well, I am struggling to make up my mind what part of this I want to use and how I want to use it. I love the boot. I would like to get the boot onto the cover, but I lose a lot of everything else if I do that. Of course, the scale isn't really, the easiest to work out for this cover. But I think I would like to cover the cardboard with this handbill, I'm going to guess maybe it was. I don't know. It's an advertisement of some sort. I have no idea what year it's from. It's got, I would say, probably at least 1938, because that's when the sorry, set my alarm for Mr. Cup sale. 1938 is when these were wrapped up, and it's written on the back. So, or these were a bundle of 1938s. I don't know when they were wrapped up. So I have some options for how I can do this. I could do this with part of the cover having text on it and part of it having just this cool old paper. I just don't want to lose too much for when I wrap around. So there's a couple of different ways I can do this. I do love this address. I would love to have that on the cover, but I really don't want to. I really don't want to put this down in the center and then chop a big piece out of it. So I will have to think about that. The royal we. I will have to think about that, and I will have to make up my mind. Of course, there's a boot here, which I would love. There's only part of a boot over here. And this is horns. I guess I could do this side as well. Options. Decisions. Okay. So apparently I'm going to continue to struggle with that, making that decision for a little bit. So here are the handkerchiefs that I got. I got a whole stack of them at the flea market in Paris, and I would like to use one of them on the spine, or if not on the spine, at least I'll use them inside pockets and that kind of thing. I want this to kind of be my celebration of France, since these invoices are not from Paris, they are from Bordeaux. It is more than just Paris. I love this one, but it's, I think, too fragile to use for a spine. unless I line it with something. So I may do that. You know, I did tell you, right? This is going to be just a video of me talking this through with you guys and trying to figure out what I want to do. I also got some envelopes that were in my stash, postcard that was in my stash, although I will struggle to use this for anything other than a just a tuck in a pocket, because I don't want to glue that. I don't want to hide that by gluing it down. Ooh, easy for me to say, not really. So I have the envelopes, and I've got some French stamps that I want to collage onto these, so I can use these in the signature. I have these wonderful invoices. I think they're invoices that I would like to use in the journal as well. Let's see, what is the, where did I put the covers? Yeah, I think I can fold those in half that this way, and they will work. The size of this journal is not quite 6 1/4, about maybe like 6 3/8, and then 8 and let's see, that would be 5/8. Not quite 8 3/4. Little more than 8 1/2. I'll go with a little more than 8 1/2. Sorry, tired brain, not doing maths today. So okay, so these are the things that I'm starting with, and this is what I'm, you know, kind of what I'm thinking and working through. And so hopefully I will be able to make some decisions, and I will take you with me on the parts of the project. I probably won't do the covering of the cardboard on video because it's messy and I don't want to tear this unnecessarily, and so no extra pressure for me. So hopefully you will see the cover, or at least these 2 pieces of the cover done the next time I do video. Oh, okay. Apparently I did not dismiss that, and it's going to just keep going off. So I think that's all I have for you today. And so next time maybe you'll see a video of this in progress. Hopefully, maybe. We'll see if I can make up my mind. There's another project that I'm thinking about doing. Rachel over at Roxy Creations has been doing a fabric heart on her Whatever Wednesdays, and I think I might like to do a heart or something out of my dyed fabrics, because I've been doing some dyeing again with the tea and the rusty bits, and I would like to do something with that, show you guys what kind of ideas I have for the fabrics that I make, and maybe inspire you a little bit. Or there may be a video of me using these envelopes that I found and making a journal out of those. I think I know I want to make one. I just don't know when. So, and no, I won't use all of them. I'll just use some of them. I learned a lesson after the numerical index sorter debacle. So anyway, that's just me telling you what I'm thinking about doing. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Make a comment. I would love to hear what you think, what your suggestions or ideas are for this project. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Little channel is growing, but I'd like it to continue growing. And so I will just say bye-bye for now.